Jain students, remaining parts of the MS Excel is errors in formula. How we can observe the errors the MS Excel sheets. Like first things is formula errors. When we most of the time we see face these types of errors and these types of symbol see into the worksheet. So what we will do, these types of errors, when our cell width is very narrow, in that times happen these types of error. When we minimize the narrowing or space of the cells, that time it will automatically arrange the things and show the exact answer of the formula. Like here already definition is here. The column is too narrow to display the result to calculations. You can change the column width to display the result to change the column's width. Through this way, we can change our format and we can get exact number of the calculation. The second thing is dividation. When we divide, going to divide any value, for that types of it is types of message will occur, like divisible 0 exclamation mark. So we try to try to explain. When we divide by 50 divide by 0, because no one value is here and no one value is here, so what will happen, these types of errors will generated. So every time we should remember that no, we cannot any value, any numbers we cannot divide by 0. So every time we must ensure that we are giving or assigning the value or not. So see here the formula definition of the these types of errors. The formula divides a number by 0. Excel consider the blank cell to have value of 0. Means that this cell contains the formula a1 by a2, means 50 by 0, which is already we have discussed. I discussed that. So means if we are have a blank cell, so what will occur, the MS Excel means it value is 0, and it have 50, it have 0 and it have 0. So when we apply the formula, then what will happen, 50 by 50 divided by 0, so it is the wrong message. After the divide, we are going to discuss about the name. What is the name? Here, see here, the field A1 have 10, A2 have 20, and A3 have 30, and A4 have, that is the error. Why? I have already discussed the cell name is consider like horizontal and vertical, means that row and column, that is called cell address. Means A and 1 is cell address is the 10's values, cell address is A1, means A is here and 1 is here, so we call A1 cell is that and A2 cell is that, A3 cell is that. We have already discussed it in previous video, so you watch carefully and learn these things. So name, why name is here, means that when we go for the adding or any calculating for the 10, 20 and 30, so in that times, that is the I automatic when we go for the adding the value, then we have only numbers, not any characters. That is happen here. Means here any name or any alphabetical alphabet character we assign here, so that's why it will it was appeared. So 10, 20, 30, and I think here 40 or 50, any types of number we should assign here. So let's we move for the definition. Name. The formula contains the function name or cell reference Excel does not recognized. Means name or cell reference Excel does not recognize. This cell contains the formula AG A2 plus A3. Means A2 and A3 is the correct address, but AG, what is AG? AG is the wrong, because we have already mentioned that A and means that only row is here, column is not present here. So when we generate the address, then what we need? Row and column. Row combination of row and column is called cell. So it's remember always. Here the A1 10, A2 20, A3 30 and A4 is reference. Means that reference is not here. Reference is absence here. So reference is that if we already calculated here some value, but uh, by mistake our formula is deleted. So here reference is missing, so here message is occurring that reference is missing. Let's we move for definition. The formula refers to a cell that is not valid, means that it is not valid or missing here. This cell contains the formula A1 plus A2 plus A3. In this example, a row contains a cell used in the formula was deleted. Means formula is not present. Next error is A1 10, A2 20, A3 Monday. So why A4 have value? Means that when we go for the calculating or managing the data, then 10, 20 and here number, not name, any types of name or any types of any other alphabetical, only numbers. So that's why here the message so for value, please input the value, not a name. Means Monday is name or alphabetical, so that's why when we enter the alphabetical, so that is already here number is message is occurred the value. Why value? Because the formula refers to a cell that Excel cannot use in calculation. Means Excel is not calculate the alphabet, only calculate the numbers. So this cell contains the formula A1, A2, A3. I have already mentioned here A1, A2, A3 value. Then the formula is A1, A2, A3. So A3 have missed the numbers, so that's why it message is generated. In this example, a cell used in formula contain text. means it have context. So when we change the Monday any other with any other number, so here not print this message, only print the result. See here, all the things are ready and all the things are proper manner, but why it not give the response, not give the result? It have the so in bold letter equal to a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4. That is the major error here, because a1 have 10, a2 have 20, a3 have 30, but where is a4? A4 value is here, so that's why I have already used the formula for a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4, but here a4 value is missing, so that's why we are calculating the a1, a2, a3 and a4 value, so it will not responding for that cells. So see here, it will generate the warning message. Circular reference. It warning message appear when a formula refers to the cell containing the formula. This is called the circular reference. In this cell contains the formula A1, A2, A3, A4. See here, this is the cellular reference, that is the warning message. Because Microsoft Excel cannot calculate a formula, cell reference in a formula refers to the formula result. Creating a cellular reference, try once of the following. Means that three option is there, follow any one of the options. Means that if you accidentally created the cellular reference, click OK. This will specify the cellular reference toolbar and help for using the For more information about circular reference and how to work with them, click Help. To continue leaving the formula as it is, click Cancel. Means that if you want to click on anyone, OK, cancel or help. If you want to take help, then we click on the help. Otherwise, we can click on cancel or OK. When we click the OK, then already go for the A4 circle and cursor is blink into the cell A4 and we will manage that things, and after that apply the formula A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4. How to emailing a worksheet? Means you can email the worksheet display on your screen to friend, family members or colleagues. If you want to send our worksheet for our colleagues, our friends, our relatives or family members, so we can easy to email this worksheet. See here, that is the email option. Email option through this click on this option and we go for the email our worksheet. So click here on email button in standard toolbar. If the work contain data on more than one worksheet, a message appear asking if you want to send the entire workbook or just a current work. Means that when we click on this button, then message will occur and asking for confirmation. You want to send all the worksheet or only entire the worksheet. Means workbook is that all the workbook have by default three worksheet: uh, workbook 1, workbook 2 and book 3. And worksheet only those page where we create our chart like this. Here we create our only chart. So only send sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. Means only sheet 1. All the sheet are calling workbook, and but only we are selecting sheet 1. So only sheet is called worksheet. Click on the option to send current worksheet. An area appears you to address the message. Here appear and here write the messages. The sender message means to I want to send our colleagues or friends. So write here colleagues and friends email address and we are going to send. And then if you want to use CC, BCC, carbon copy or blind carbon copy, and after that subject, mention here subject. Click on the area to type the subject message. Means here type here subject and include an introduction for the worksheet you are sending. Click on the area, type the introduction. All the introduction we should manage here, mention here. You can include the introduction only if you are using the Microsoft Outlook email program. When we use the Microsoft Outlook program, then we should mention the introduction, otherwise it not necessary. Six, click on the send sheet to send the message. Through this we can send the message. Send the sheet button, and then we able to send the sheet for our colleagues, friends or family members. Or if you want to print our worksheet, so how we can print? Here give the steps. So follow these steps and we can print our worksheet. You can print a worksheet to produce a paper copy which is displayed on your screen. On screen you can use the print preview features to see how your worksheet will look when printed. The confirms that the worksheet will print the way you expect. Means that first we should click on the print preview options, and after that we ensure that our worksheet is uh, clear clear for print. So we click on the print button. So follow the steps. Number 1, click on any cell in the worksheet you want to print. To print only a specific cell in your worksheet, select the cell you want to print. Click on file. The file menu will appear. Click on print. The print dialog box appear. If you want to entire worksheet, only selection area or active sheets, means any one of the option we can use radio button. Click here on here only, then we can print. If the part of the workbook you selected to print contains more than one page, click on the radio button of you point to specify the pages you want to print. All prints every pages, means that here all pages or page numbers from 2 only we input here page number of or we can want to all the pages print, then we click all pages and then click OK, and you can click on the print button and standard toolbar quickly print the worksheets display on the your screen. So through these options we can manage our errors, send our worksheet through the email, and we want to print our worksheet, so we can print. That's all. Thank you. It is the remaining part of the MS Excel. Here your MS Excel is completing. Thank you. Jai Hind.